Here are 3 tips to help you prevent your next water damage from happening. Something that happens more often than you think is people walking away from an active running water source. I've seen so many people call in and they have a bathtub that they're running and they're trying to get it ready, and they'll just step into the other room to fold clothes. Number 2 is routine inspections. Just as you would have a licensed pest control technician come out and treat your house interior, exterior for mosquitoes, ants, spiders, the same is true for water damage prevention.